10 years later, and there's still plenty of Bitcoin myths out there that need to be busted. And today we are conquering the limited supply of Bitcoin being at 21 million. Is that a myth? Yes, it is, and I'm going to explain why. But first, please hit like, hit subscribe, check out the CT Club down below. We do trade alerts, portfolio updates, and we tell everyone what we're doing with our cryptos and why, especially during volatile times in the market. So, Bitcoin is, the narrative is that there is 21 million Bitcoin ever to be created. That insinuates that there are 21 million liquid Bitcoin able to be traded hands. That is false. About 20% of the total supply of Bitcoin of 21 million has already been lost. Estimates between 3.7 and 5 million Bitcoin are lost forever, never to be reintroduced to the market, never to be traded hands, bought, or sold. How does this happen? Private keys encryption, especially in the early days of Bitcoin mining, when anyone could do it on their laptop, basically. Before Bitcoin was such a powerhouse, globally that it is now, before it had any kind of recognition, it was just a thing that people were kind of playing around with, maybe not taking too seriously. People were trying to buy pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. And so, because of that, because people weren't taking this maybe as seriously as they could have, they lost access to their private keys, they threw away their computers or the hard drives that were storing these coins. And thanks to SHA-256 and the incredible encryption of Bitcoin, once you lose access to your private keys, no one can break that encryption and get it back for you, so they are gone for good. So the circulating supply at the time of recording this is over 19 million Bitcoin. That number is representing the total amount of Bitcoin so far that has been mined. It's true that 21 million all that will ever be created, but 21 million will not be all that will ever be able to be traded or bought. So the number is even smaller. Think at least 4 million less than 21,000. So about 17 million Bitcoin are out there. So even less millionaires in this world are going to have access to Bitcoin, dollar cost average, hodl long term, have those diamond hands, and see your Bitcoin retirement. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. More Bitcoin myths to come. But in the meantime, hope you're staying happy and healthy. Bye, guys.